Well, my name's Nicholas Hrycun. I'm going to start with introducing myself, give you guys a little bit of my current background. Um, right now, the industry that I'm currently working in full time is construction industry and the communication telecom. Uh, currently, I've been in the industry for roughly a little over 10 years. I've worked in 26 different industries from sales to construction to business development, retail, um, manufacturing, skilled labor, so on and so forth. The list just goes on and on. So I've developed sort of skills and I've observed a lot through my years being as a working class man on just every little thing of how a business runs, um, the the ins and the outs of basically every business, what happens out in the field, what happens in the office, what happens on the customer side, like just all of that. And I never realized that I would be in a position to actually start a business. I've thought about it for years. I've always been back and forth on what I really wanted to be. I have gone to school for computers. I've gone to school for engineering. I've gone to school for fire services. I almost joined the military. I was so back and forth for all the years. And I never could really pinpoint what I truly wanted to be and where I wanted to end up. But I did know after all the years that I've been working, and of course, yeah, I'm still young, but I'm just tired of basically not going anywhere farther than just earning a paycheck. I want to be proud of something. I want to build something that I can appreciate, that I can carry on through the years, even when I pass away and it's basically left to my family. So building a business is a huge goal for me from day one to where, you know, that's, I'd want it to completely be a legacy, basically. Now, attending Drone Command, this is the first thing I've ever done on any kind of event to this scale. I've always been interested in attending stuff like this, and there's a lot of scams out there. There's a lot of companies and people that can promote things and try to get you to buy this and try to get you to do this. And sometimes you can see value in it, and sometimes you can't. I've always been super skeptical about it because I have been scammed in the past, but for now being the second day in drone command, the amount of information that the staff and everyone on board here that's attended, the amount of information, the amount of support, detailed specific ideas and results that I am learning and that I'm observing through this whole thing is just crazy. I never expected this at all. And to be honest, like it's exciting, overwhelming a little bit, but it just starts a fire in my ass, and I I can't say that anyone else could not be interested in this. It doesn't have to be drone business. It doesn't have to be a drone operator. It doesn't have to be being a business owner. But the fact that I put my mind to something and now I'm part of something that is bigger than I could have ever thought of, being involved in, or just having the opportunity for me to be here and just educate myself, even if, whether I succeed at it right now or down the line or just decide to walk away from it, the amount of education that I'm getting from this, the amount of support and determination from everyone here that we're all here to help out and we're all here to go after one thing, and as that's ultimately being successful. And successful can mean so many things, whether it's being successful with a business, being financially successful, being successful with creating a network for yourself, and so on and so forth. So my main testimony right now, you know at the end of the day, is that I saw an opportunity and I took it. And now I'm not going to miss out on any more opportunities that I see down the line after this. Now, to look back and before, if I would have known about this before, I wish I'd have taken this opportunity a long time ago.